Good morning, kids. Today I'm going to tell you a story about the unworthy son. Yes, children.
Good things comes to those who work hard. If you think that you don't have to work hard and you will get your results good, you will get a gift, or you'll be able to achieve everything, it is not possible without hard work and dedication. Okay, so always remember that. So let's read the story now. Once there lived a rich businessman who had a lazy, unworthy son. The businessman wanted his son to be working hard and responsible. He wanted him to realize the value of labor. One day he summoned his son and said, "Today I want you to go out and earn money. If you fail, you won't get your meal tonight." The son was scared and went crying to his mother. Her heart melted at the sight of tears in his son's eyes. In a bite to help him, she gave him a gold coin. In the evening, when the father asked his son what he had earned, the son promptly presented him the gold coin. The father then asked him to throw it into the well. The son threw it in the well at once. So now the story is about a lazy boy and a businessman. So the father said to the son that you have to go out and start earning money, otherwise I will not give you dinner tonight. So the son went crying to his mother and said, "You know what? Father is saying that if I don't get money, he will not give me dinner." So the mother said, "Oh, don't cry, my son. You take this gold coin and give it to your father." So in the evening, when the son went to meet his father, the father asked him, "What have you earned?" So the son gave him a gold coin. "See, this is what I've earned the whole day." So looking at that, the father said, "Throw this gold coin in the well." So at once the son threw the gold coin in the well. Now let's see what happens. The next morning, the father asked his son to go and earn some money, or else he would not be served dinner that night. This time he went crying to his sister, who sympathized with him and gave him a gold coin. When his father asked him, "How much have you earned today?" the boy handed over his father the gold coin. He asked him to throw the gold coin in the well. The son did it quietly and readily. So again in the morning, the father said, "Go earn money, otherwise I'll not give you dinner." So this time he went to his sister and said that, "I need money, otherwise I will not be given dinner." So the sister gave him a gold coin. Again the father asked, "How much you have earned?" He said, "I've earned a gold coin." Father said, "Throw that gold coin in the well," and the son threw the gold coin. He again asked his son to go out and earn money. If he failed to do so, he would have to sleep without dinner that night. He again went to his mother for help, but she refused to help him. He cried and went to his sister's room, who also said, "I can't give you any more money." Since there was no one to help him, the son was forced to go out in the market for search of work. So now again the next morning, father said, Go earn money." So he went to the mother. Mother said, "Now I don't have a gold coin." Even sister said, "I don't have a gold coin." So now he had no option but go to the market and look for some job. At the market, a shopkeeper told him that he would give him a gold coin if he agreed to carry a trunk to his home. The rich man's son had no choice, and so he accepted the work. By the time he finished the job, he was sweating all over. His feet were trembling and his neck and back were aching. There was rash on his back. So he went to the market, and one person said, "Okay, I will give you a gold coin. Pick up this trunk and go and keep it in my house." So poor guy, he had nothing to do, but he had to do that. So he picked up the trunk and he went. When he returned home, his father asked him the same question. When the boy showed him the gold coin, "Go throw it into the well," said the father. This time the horrified son was in tears. He could not imagine wasting his hard-earned money by throwing it into the well. He started sobbing and said, "Father, my entire body is aching. My back has got rash, and you are asking me to throw this money into the well?" At this, the businessman smiled and he said, "I know on earlier occasion you were helped by your mother and your sister. Therefore, you did not hesitate to throw it into the well. This time you have labored hard to earn this gold coin. That is the reason you cannot throw it into the well now. I am happy, son, you have learned the value of hard work. So now the father again said, how much you have earned? He said, I've earned a gold coin. His father said, go throw it in the well. So son was crying that, no father, I can't throw it in the well because I've worked very hard to get this gold coin. See, I've got rash on my back, my legs are paining, my body is paining. So the father said, that is what I wanted to tell you, that it is very difficult to earn money. We should always value hard labor. We will not get things easily. We need to work hard for it. Okay, and when we value that, children, we get whatever is best in life, we get that. Okay, so always remember, till the time you don't work hard with full dedication, you would not get positive results. Okay, so I hope you like the story. I will see you again in the next class. Till that time, bye bye and take care.